Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add menu or navigation menu in Wing Studio. So here, as you can see, I don't have the navigation menu. So to add this one, just click on the plus icon right here at the top left-hand corner of your screen. And then here, we're going to select the menu. So once you click on menu, as you can see here, so just drag and move it like this, so you can place the location you want to put the navigation menu, or maybe you can just put right over here, but in my case I'm going to put in the middle. Now this one here, as you can see, we have a bunch of options. If you're going to click on the dot, then you can resize it if you want a smaller or bigger navigation menu. Now here, as you can see, once you click on the menu item here, we have an option which says manage menu. So if we're going to click on manage menu button, then an option shows up here. As you can see, we have home and subscribe. Now if you don't want to subscribe, just click on three dots and then click on rename. For example, this one here is about us page. There you go. Now, if you want to add an item or add a menu, just click on the add item button right here. You can add main pages, link, sub-menu title, or mega menu. So basically here we have the main page, which is the home button or current page. Now what we can do now, we can create a menu. So add item, go to mega menu. And then here you can write down, for example, this one here is contact us page. Now you can also add another navigation menu. Just click on add item. And for example, this one here is like a submenu title. So just basically this one is contact us, and then click on the add item. And then we can add submenu title. For example, this one here is the location. So basically we can create a submenu title in any of the main menu page here on your navigation menu. So for example, if you have just created a menu item, then basically you can add the link if you want to link your page, your web address, or any of the page here. So as of now, I have only the home page. So basically, if you have the pages, then you can link that in any of the menu item that you have just created. So here you can rearrange the navigation menu, or basically we can use the layout icon. So right from here, and as you can see, we have the options to customize your navigation menu. You can basically change the horizontal spacing between items. For example here, and then I can basically resize and then drag the dot so we can manage to resize this one. So as you can see, you have options if you want to, or if you prefer to put at the top right corner. And here you can also set the text alignment and also the menu item direction. So here you can also customize the item padding. So there you go. And also here, if you go to the other options, like the three dots here, we have a bunch of options here that you can try. You can delete, remove, edit, or copy the menu item. Then you can also rearrange the position of the pages. Is basically drag this like a four dots right here on the left side of the menu name. Then you can drag it to place, for example, this one about us page will basically at the top of the contact us menu title. So as you can see, we have just managed it. And basically, as I've said, if you have already the page, like the home page, then you can set the home menu to the home page. Then if you have the about us page, then you can relink or add a link to the menu item. So once you have just published your page, and once they click on the home button or about us menu, then they will be directly go to that page. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.